I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a USB drive and the Ps4 system file. Format the drive as FAT32 or XFAT, then make a Ps4/update folder and copy Ps4 update. PUP into it. Once done, turn the Ps4 fully off. Press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep to enter safe mode. Make sure a dual shock is connected via USB so you can control menus. These steps place the correct installer where the console expects it and get you into the recovery environment ready to act. With the USB inserted and controller connected, select the Safe Mode option that installs or updates system software from a USB device. You'll see prompts to locate and verify Ps4 update. PUP, confirm and start the process. This writes a fresh system partition to replace corrupted files, which is why reinstallation fixes many software errors. Expect the console to reboot several times and show progress bars. Do not unplug the USB or cut power. Patience here prevents further corruption and completes the core recovery work. After the install finishes, the Ps4 will reboot. Follow the initial setup steps to sign in, reconfigure system settings, and reconnect to the network. Once you confirm basic functions, test games and menus to ensure the error is gone. If you still see system software errors, try one key troubleshooting tip: reformat or swap the USB, re-download the Ps4 update. PUP from Sony and repeat the process. Corrupt downloads or faulty drives are common causes. If problems continue, contact Sony support for deeper repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.